Wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you.
The bane of traitors. When Zeus came to power, he found he had little to fear from the sisters. The Furies sought retribution only for those whom they deemed guilty. The first of these traitors
Ang hirap naman ito kunin.
when the brute pledged a blood oath to Zeus, only to later betray the king of the gods, the Furies were quick to take action. The sisters relentlessly hunted the Aegean, and upon capturing the creature, tortured him without mercy. For the Furies believed death was too kind for this oathbreaker.
Let's eat mga mare.
Conquerors began to examine
Mag-isa lang akong mare.
a special
Dahil nga po, nandun sila sa Legazpi. So, ang aking ulam yung tira kanina, nilaga. Nilagang baboy.
traitors. The great Spartan general was finally defeated. Driven mad,
Sa ganang lalamunan ko.
uncertain of his surroundings, the warrior found himself captured.
Wait lang, kuha lang ako ng pork. So, let's eat it. Nyari. Tumba. Natumba ang cellphone ko.